Hello ladies and welcome to today's behind the scenes. Today is a special day, not only in our video, but also in our boutique.
Welcome, lovelies. Well, it is a special day. We love special days in the boutique.
Yes.
Everybody always gets excited. The girls, Colleen, Sarah, Kate, and Kristen, and Ruby. Wow, so many now.
I know, it's so exciting.
So exciting.
Such a great team. So today is our launch party for an amazing line that we are carrying now in the boutique, designed in Denmark, called
Noen. And we are thrilled to carry it. We've been looking at it for a few years. And here it is. It's totally fits into our style of the boutique, the style of all the clothing, our style, our Lousje and Bean style, right? We definitely have a look. And it fits our look.
Yes, it fits our look. And it's that Danish look and that European. It's wonderful. And the fabrics are gorgeous. And we cannot wait to have it here in the boutique. It's so exciting.
It's so exciting.
But what's more exciting is that you missed the unboxing of the Frozen. And how do you think? What do you think?
Oh,
are you loving it?
Tessa, I love it. I love it.
It's cute, eh?
Love, love, love.
This is the watercolor dress. And
I
threw on a jean jacket, ladies.
Great.
Yeah.
But I quickly looked at all the dresses and I definitely have to try them on because the one looks more beautiful than the other.
I know.
They all
came
speak to me.
I know. Well, you came in and you were like, oh, all the things she's missed since she's been gone.
God, so many new things,
exciting.
and everything is more beautiful than the other. I said to Tessa, I saw many beautiful clothing stores, but nothing and it's of course patting ourselves on the back, but we should, because we have a beautiful collection and you did great buying this season. Amazing buying, which is one of the most difficult things to do. It's true.
But yeah, we've curated a beautiful boutique here for you lovely ladies.
Beautiful.
And now we're excited to have Noen here, which we're going to unbox in a moment. But first we have to do a fit check.
Oh, yes.
And Lousje looks ravishing in her cut loose.
And so comfortable.
I know.
When I put cut loose on, of course, I have a few pieces in my collection at home. When I want to feel like a nice feel for the day, I get cut loose.
Cut loose. Nice natural fabric.
Beautiful.
So you have on the little swing top here.
Little swing top.
Cute.
So cute.
In the rhubarb, ladies.
Oh,
yeah, the rhubarb's flying. It's selling so well. It's so beautiful.
It's a beautiful color for most of us, right?
And the A-line linen skirt.
The A-line linen skirt with a little knit band. Nice length too, eh?
Yeah.
Quite long.
Yeah.
Just above my ankles it comes. I find is always nice with cut loose because it's a little pop.
Yeah. Beautiful.
And you're
gorgeous. Yes. So here we go. Made in Montreal.
Anne-Marie Chagnon.
Anne-Marie Chagnon. Yeah, I know I don't pronounce it always correctly, ladies, but I'm trying. It's funny with Noen as well. For when I started doing the buying with our agent, I kept saying neon, and I don't know why. I just feel like I'm a bit dyslexic in that.
You are a bit dyslexic.
Yes. But anyway, so I have beautiful jewelry on. I threw on a jean jacket over this little cute dress, the watercolor from Cozen, just so ladies can see how nice you can, we have so many beautiful jean jackets here in the boutique.
Yeah, but this one, I really like it, Tessa.
It's got a nice wash, eh?
Yeah. It looks worn.
Yeah.
And that's always a nice look. Sorry, Charlie. In a jeans jacket.
He's not even phased. He's just...
No.
He had so many treats this morning, ladies. He just kept begging me, and I just kept feeding him to him. Sorry, Shirley. Maybe it's me. Maybe it's me that's making him a little...
Shirley, my good friend, looked after Charlie. And then I topped him off. She said, oh my God, he put on so much weight. I think I'm going to put him on a diet. Shirley, I think you did.
I think he's ravenous. She made a joke because he kept coming back to me and I gave him good treats and he kept coming.
And in the evening I feed him his dinner and then 5 minutes later he sits next to me and I don't know what he wants. He's been walked, so I give him more food and he's gone like this. So sorry, Charlie. He might get,
He's so cute. But ladies, I have on the majestic heart here, which I love. Look how long it goes to. It's really nice and elongating. But okay, let's get to it. We bought some beautiful pieces that we cannot wait to show you. And here we go. All right. Oh, yes. Start with a beauty here. Yeah. Okay, so this is a flax viscose and a beautiful print.
Beautiful.
Beautiful dress. It's got such clean lines.
Yes.
It's absolutely gorgeous.
Then these tiny little details here, right? This little tuck that brings it in a little.
Yeah, and the sleeve
And
as
the
well
sleeve
has
as
some
well.
darts around it.
Yeah.
And then
And
the
the
back
back,
too, a little
yes.
dart. But
A
the
little
print
dart.
is so classy, you know?
Yeah.
It's timeless, really.
Timeless. And you can dress this dress up and down, right? You can wear it casually with sandals and your jewelry, and then really go to a summer wedding in it.
Yeah, absolutely.
You know?
And there is another color that we got in. They had two colors available, and I thought they were both equally as beautiful.
Oh, yes.
Look at this
Oh,
for the
glad
summer.
you took that one too.
I know, it's beautiful.
It's gorgeous, Tessa.
Yeah, and with the flax here, like it's
Orange
just
fitting
the
into.
texture of it, beautiful. So we'll style these up tomorrow for you ladies, me and Lousje.
Oh, I can't wait.
Yeah, and then
I
also
can't
in that
wait.
print, they had a really cute shirt that I got.
Oh, yes.
Look at this tunic.
Oh, I can't wait to show us this.
I know.
Because the details on this shirt, it's like,
It's really cool.
look at these sleeves. It's got all shirring here.
Yeah, it's a poof
And
sleeve
a poof
with shirring.
And then what is the back
And then
like?
elastic bottom at the, with the cuff.
Again, they do a lot with these yokes and pleats, right?
Yeah.
And the little Nero collars.
Yes.
Love.
Yeah.
They're
They're
So
beautiful.
you're gonna do this one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. I can't wait. I love it.
Okay.
It's
I
so
love it
beautiful.
too.
Pearl buttons, beautiful,
Yes.
substantial pearl buttons.
Beautiful.
Yeah. And then this slit on the side, ladies, you know, we love our
Slits,
Yeah.
but this is a special
substantial.
slit.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Gorgeous.
Okay. And then
Bring
this,
it on.
this was one of my faves here. As you know, I love skirts, ladies.
Yeah.
But this is gorgeous.
This is this queen of skirts.
It's
Look at
lined.
this.
It's that beautiful European cotton. So crispy.
Beautiful. It feels.
Yeah, so you can see here it's lined with a little satin lining. Not even, it's got a stretch in it. It's really comfortable.
It makes that rustling noise, eh?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I know.
Yeah.
I know.
Wow.
It will just hang so beautifully.
Yeah,
I
for
can't
sure.
wait. And of course, I could not get it without
Of
black.
course. Oh.
Gorgeous. And
Beautiful.
pockets, ladies.
Beautiful.
Little slip pockets.
Yeah. Gorgeous, Tessa. So
I know.
this will go with
Either,
either one.
yeah.
Either.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay,
It'd be beautiful
bring
in
it-
the wardrobe. All right, and this is a great top.
Look at the blue.
Nice and light.
blue. Oh my
Oh.
goodness.
I know.
Yeah.
And it's got a crinkle to the fabric.
Yeah. So
Beautiful.
again, great for traveling.
Yeah.
Right?
A light
Yeah.
viscose. Look, we're all touching in different.
Yeah.
But look, Mum, the cuff, you can cuff up,
Oh yes.
you know, with the
yes,
slit.
A finished cuff. Yeah. Beautiful. A
Yeah.
double cuff, I should say.
Yeah, and it's got like a rainbow bottom there.
But the piece de résistance.
The back.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know.
Look at this.
So we got tiers here, ladies. And
Ah.
just the movement of it.
Yeah.
It's going to flow beautifully.
Gorgeous.
Yeah.
So picture white linen pants,
Yeah.
a white skirt, that white skirt, right?
You could even wear it open as a jacket. Like
Yeah.
this sort of, you know,
Yeah.
just have a white tank under.
Yeah, for sure. Pockets, of course.
Beautiful, beautiful pockets. And they only had two colors. And I thought both were
Both.
ravishing.
Stunning.
Yeah.
How can you choose? You
Yeah.
can't.
No, they're beautiful.
You have to take both.
Yeah.
Oh my.
Isn't
Tessa,
that
love,
stunning?
love, love.
I know.
Love.
And with that skirt, like that'll just pick up that skirt.
Just
Beautiful
to take with you
outfit.
on vacation. How
Would you
practical
have loved
too.
that in Portugal?
Oh my God.
Yeah.
I would have loved it.
Yeah. It's a beautiful line. We're really happy
Yeah.
to be carrying it.
Thrilled.
We're so excited. And we hope you join us today in the boutique, ladies, because we're going to have some treats here, some special treats, and we'll all be
11
here.
o'clock?
11 till 2, we'll be here. And you can come and touch the fabrics and feel the fabrics if you're close. Try on, but there's 2 more pieces here in beautiful fabric. I cannot wait to show you. I loved these.
Yeah.
They're basics, but they're beautiful
Yeah.
basics. The fabric is gorgeous.
Gorgeous.
In Noen Nordic, it says on there
Very
in the
classy.
little rubber letters.
Very
Letters
chic,
that are,
eh?
yeah,
Yeah,
I know.
very chic.
yeah. And the
Beautiful.
fabric's beautiful. So that's a sleeveless tank, and then we also got it in this
Yeah.
dolman sleeve top.
Yes, beautiful.
Beautiful
And
for
the
the
little
summer.
sculpted side here with the slit.
Oh yeah.
And how do the sizes go in this line, Tess?
Collection. They're European sizings. Oh, well, these shirts are extra small to extra large. The knits are, but the skirts and the tunics are 36.
European sizing.
Yeah, 36
36.
to 48, I believe, or
48,
46.
right.
Yeah.
So 36 would be a 6, 4, 6.
4, 6, yeah. So
18.
Extra small, and then, you know, 38 medium, 40, 42 large,
Right.
44 extra large, 46
Right.
extra large.
Yeah.
We should have fit tips on there, ladies. If not, please reach out to us. We try to have all the size charts up there for you, ladies, so that you can measure away and see what's going to work for you.
Exciting.
But if you can't join us today, we're saying hello to you. And
thanks for watching. If you are far, not all of you lovelies live close. So thank you, lovelies, for being as excited as we are always about our lines and being a part of it.
Yeah. And watch out tomorrow. We'll be styling it up for you. And me and Lousje will be in the boutique today from 11 till 2. Please hit a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. And as always,
keep on smiling.